What's up, guys? It's your man Vinny Chase. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to spend a little bit of time in a small town called Otranto, and then we're going to come back to Lecce and take an Italian cooking class. So that should be exciting. Let's saddle up and head on out.
Now tuned into the motherfucking greatest.
Vincent Chase, brand name recognition.
Yesterday's price is not today's price.
So Otranto is kind of in a part of town they call Salento, okay? And it's kind of a interesting place because it's got like this castle church in the middle of it, like this old town medieval castle church. And it's also like a coastal beach town. So like they got the small corridors for the shops and restaurants and stuff. And then they also got like beach clubs and shit. So there's a lot for us to get into out here.
Ooh, it never felt so good.
Listen. So we're just walking around this part of town to kill time until we have lunch, right? And as we're walking the corridors, we do come up on like a little beach section, and we just kind of go ahead and hop on in, man, because it is definitely hot out here. And we're supposed to be going to a beach club later. So shit, I've already got my swimming trunks. Why not? Now, we know I'm not the best swimmer, but this area was actually fairly shallow, and they had like a rock barrier to keep the waves from crashing in real hard. So this was like an actual nice and relaxing little situation that we had here. Now, we didn't spend too much time swimming because we're going to the beach club later, and we have this group lunch that we're supposed to be getting to, like probably right about now. So the group meets up at the restaurant to kind of have lunch, and we walk up this staircase to this nice little terrace that looks like we're under some lemon trees, man. And now at this point, I'm still kind of new to vlogging, so I didn't really get pictures and videos of all the food and kind of stuff because I just met these people and I'm still kind of nervous of just shoving a camera up in their face, you know, all the time. But they served us some really fresh fish. And when I say it was fresh, yeah, boy, like it was just out the water fresh. So now that we've had lunch, we're gonna head on over to the Come Beach Club. Pause. But we're gonna head on over to the beach club and just kind of cool out until it's time to head on back to the hotel and get ready for the cooking class. So now we're all showered up and cleaned and fresh, and we've mobbed up and we're on our way to the cooking class. So today we're gonna be making like handmade pasta and some of this Italian bread. I forget what the Italian bread is called, but she starts us off giving us all the materials that we need, and we're gonna start by cutting up the flour.
Have you ever made this before?
But I know how to cut this shit.
Good. We just started.
Perico.
Not gonna hold you, dog. All I can think about is clips and Jeezy while I'm in this kitchen right here.
Don't preheat the oil. We put all the ingredients inside first, and then we're gonna cook. Also, we change the oil. Mamma mia. When
You're making me nervous, bro.
you feel the anxious?
Nah, but for real, he making me nervous the way he cutting them tomatoes like that, dog. That knife is really sharp, and he just slicing them things. Like, you can tell he do this all the time, bro. Now, the little lady in here is a spunky little lady, man. Like, she's got a lot of little flavor, you understand? Like, she's real good at being snippy and snappy and keeping it fun at the same time. I'm really enjoying her teaching this cooking class. So now we're rolling out our noodles, we're rolling out our dough for our bread, you know. They got us over here boiling it all in the pot and sticking it all in the oven and just rounding out the rest of our homemade Italian dinner here, you know. Look at your boy in here chefing like Mrs. Fields. Look at him, look at the wrist work, look at the wrist work. Not gonna lie to you, when that's coming out the oven, that's looking pretty good. I'm feeling real good about the dinner we've constructed here. It's looking nice, man. This is great. This is looking nice. So now we've wrapped up the cooking portion and we're actually just waiting for the food to get done, and we're gonna move on into the next room and, you know, get ready for dinner. This was amazing. You know, they always say you haven't made it until you've had pasta in Italy. Well, dog, today we made pasta in Italy. We made pasta in Italy. Come on, man. Come on. Hey. Well, look at here. Ain't this about something? Look at that. I'm already in the mood to celebrate, and y'all got the live music and dancing coming in here. Oh my God, this is amazing. I done made pasta in Italy, and now I'm up in restaurants with mandolins and violins. This is nice, man. Let's go ahead and wrap this food up and head on outside and get some of this cultural dance going. Fuck it. Let's just tap in and go ahead and have us a good time, man. Crank that thing on up. So we done wrapped up dinner, and now we got all this energy from all this dancing, dog. Like, I'm not ready to go back to the hotel, so we got to find something else to do. Like, we really got to find somewhere else to go. I cannot go to bed right now. I'm too pumped up. Now, luckily, we walk around and we find one of these little bars that has an exotic garden inside. Now, this seemed like something that could be interesting. So we'll just go inside and just kind of cool out, have us a few drinks, a few laughs, and get to know each other a little bit better before we continue on our journey through the south of Italy. And it really was an exotic garden. There were lots of foreign plants in there, and it was like a really, really unique place to find here in the middle of Lecce.
FTLO.
Great, a day and a half so far.
Bring us together. Cheers.
When you getting his steak cooked.
Hey!
Friends for life.
Hey! So that's gonna about wrap us up, man. It was a really good day. I really enjoyed the cooking class, and I'm excited to see what the rest of this trip has to offer. So I'll catch you guys off in the next video, man. Peace.